What's up, y'all? It's your boy KK. Today I'm gonna air fry chicken fries. I got these at Aldi. They cost around like $5 or whatever. I looked up recipe online, like how long to do it for. Not a lot of options came up. I did find this one, which I'll put the link in my description. It said $3.90 for like 8 minutes, and then if you wanted it more crispy, you did it for an extra 2, but I went with 400 degrees for 8 minutes, and it worked really well for me. Three minutes for preheat. It says 8 chicken fries for a serving, so that's what we do. Look at those, they are done. I'll wait till it cools off and then I'll pop one in my mouth. Look at these bad boys. If you want them a little bit more done, do it longer. Also, I just did the serving size, but if you want to do more, do more. Also, a little pro tip. Lately, I've been using aluminum foil because then I don't have to wash the whole thing again, and it's an easy cleanup. Really, really good and easy.